Studio Mobile is a complete music production studio on your mobile device. This tutorial will take you through the basics of creating your first song from scratch. Tap the Home button. On the Songs tab, tap New and select an empty template. Choose a tempo and a time signature. Tap on the existing song name to choose your own. Tap OK. This is the playlist, where you will arrange your song from individual clips you create. Tap the Add Channel button and choose Drums. Select a drum template. This is the drum sequencer. The lanes correspond to different drum sounds. You can also play the drums from the pads below. Tap to add or remove steps in the drum sequencer. Press play to hear your beat. Drag the handle to reveal the graph editor. Here you can edit velocity, panning, pitch, and repeat value. Tap the lane header to reveal the drum properties. Here you can adjust the different levels of the drums and many other parameters like time stretching or the volume envelope. Tap the X icon to close the drum sequencer. You are now back in the playlist. Tap a clip to select it. Drag the handle to extend and repeat the drum sequence. Tap the left arrow icon to open the rack. This holds instruments or effects for the selected playlist track. Tap the plus icon to add an effect. Let's select a compressor to add more punch to the drums. Tap here to choose a preset for this effect, or tweak settings yourself to exactly what you need. Tap the Add Channel button again, and now let's choose an instrument for the bass line. Pick a category folder, then tap to select and preview different instrument presets. Tap the X icon, or to the right, to close the preset selector. This is the piano roll. It will play instruments in the currently selected playlist track. Tap to add notes. Tap a note again to select options such as delete. Tap and drag the background to move your view. Let's create a bass line. Drag the note handle to change the note length. The length of a new note will be the same as the last note you tapped. You can zoom by pinching on the time ruler at the top of the piano roll. Here is our bass line. Let's add more rhythm to it with different note lengths. Long tap and drag to select multiple notes. Drag to move the selection. Tap the X icon to close the piano roll. Next, let's add a new instrument for the melody. This time, let's record it live. Tap Record, then press Play, or simply start tapping notes in the keyboard below. Tap a clip to bring up more options. Double tap the clip to enter its piano roll. Here are the notes we just recorded. Again, let's zoom by pinching on the time ruler at the top. Long tap and drag to select notes. Tap snap to quantize the notes to the grid. Tap the playlist track header to view mixing options.